If your Ranger is flashing an AdBlue fault and threatening a no-start countdown, don't panic. Most of these fixes are simpler than you think. Statistically, 70% of these selective catalytic reduction faults are caused by sensor issues rather than a total system failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where the communication break is happening. Start by checking for urea crystallization at the injector nozzle and scanning for specific P-series fault codes. The most common culprits are a blocked injector or a fouled knock sensor that can no longer read exhaust gas correctly. Pay close attention to the countdown. If it hits 0, the ECU will prevent the engine from restarting for environmental compliance. You can often fix a blocked injector with just warm water, but a burnt-out pump motor will require a full component replacement. While simple cleaning is nearly free, replacing the entire pump assembly can set you back over $1,000. The water fix involves dissolving urea crystals with hot water. It is the secret weapon for many Ranger owners. To prevent future faults, always use high-quality fluid and try to keep your tank at least a quarter full at all times. Before spending money, check if your Ranger is eligible for a free software update under a technical service bulletin. That is how you tackle the Ranger AdBlue fault. Subscribe for more troubleshooting playbooks to keep your truck on the road.